Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed that every object in the universe attract each other. Now the next question is, can we calculate this force of attraction? So using universal law of gravitation we can find out the force between the two objects of the universe. Suppose these are two objects. The mass of the first object is capital M and the mass of the second object is small m. Now, according to Newton, they will attract each other. Now, how to calculate the gravitational force between them or the force of attraction between them? So, according to universal law of gravitation, the force is proportional to the product of their masses. It means F is proportional to m into m, and the force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So F is inversely proportional to d square. Now if we combine these two expressions, we will get F is proportional to m into m upon d square. Or we can write this expression F equals to g mm upon d square. So it is the formula to calculate the force between the two objects of the universe. So we should know the mass of both the objects and the distance between them. Now what is g here? G is the constant of proportionality or universal gravitational constant. It is universal gravitational constant. Now, what will be the SI unit of G? So, to calculate SI unit of G, we write the formula again, F equals to G mm upon d square. So, the value of G will be F d square upon m into m. Now, the SI unit of force is Newton and SI unit of distance is meter, so it will be meter square, and SI unit of mass is kilogram, so it will be kilogram square. So SI unit of universal gravitational constant will be Newton meter square per kilogram square. Now the value of G was found by Henry Cavendish using a sensitive balance. And what is the value of G? It is 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So, now next question is, what is the importance of this law? What is the importance of universal law of gravitation? Now, universal law of gravitation is important because it explains about the force that bind us to the surface of the earth and the motion of the moon around the earth, and it also explains about the motion of the planets around the sun, and it also explains about the tides, high tides due to moon and sun. Tides due to moon and sun. Hope you have understood about universal law of gravitation. In next video, we will discuss about free fall and to calculate value of small g.